Alright everyone, I'm going to try to show y'all really quick how to run my Python module with Jarvis for interacting with AIML scripts for chatting and whatnot. So you're going to need Python. I use Python 2.7. They're up to 3.5, but you need 2.7 to run my scripts, whatever. Anyway, so here's a link to the files on my wall of text that I put up here the other day. Your commands are right in here. Chris asked if we could start the chat from within links. Yes, we could do that now, so I added how to do that as well. Right here we've got the links to the files all zipped up, and there's GitHub links too if you just want to update the Py files, because really the Python files is all I'm going to keep updated. So anyway, real quick, we'll show you here. Follow the link, we'll download Alice, go back, we'll download Kirk. Okay, so we got both of them going. I'm going to grab them out of this download folder. I've got a chatbot folder I made. You can do any folder because I get a couple shortcuts I can show you here after, and you're just gonna extract them both to separate named folders. There we go. Very first thing you do is initialize Alice. I guess to do this I want to point out too, your Python libraries need to include an AIML library. That's really easy to get. You just go to command prompt, type python.exe, it's going to be -m pip install AIML. It's going to do its magic, it's going to install. Once you have that, you're good to go. Probably should have mentioned that earlier. Anyways, so we're going to build the brain. Init. We'll always run that first. This one takes about 10 seconds. Alice has a bigger brain, so it takes a little bit longer. And there you go, it's done. It's saved to a BRN file. There you have it, botbrain.brn. Let's go over, let's make Kirk's real quick too. So, init, Kirk. See, there you go, that one only took a second. So once they're loaded up, you're going to want to go into your custom commands and adjust the file paths for your commands. Like I showed you, I have some set up. I have one for the captain and one for Alice on each. So, give you a chance to take a quick look right there at what we're doing, and then I'm just going to run them. I'm just going to demo them for you. So here we go.
Listening enabled.
Chat with the captain.
Initializing.
So it's working.
What do you think of the inmates we saw here this afternoon?
So anyway, it's running. It's a loop. Jarvis runs a loop. He checks every 10th of a second to see if there's any input into the dictation file in his corresponding folder. So it's right here. So you can give him commands in that as well. So I'm in Kirk. We have Kirk running. So I can say, what is your mission? Save, Control S.
Our 5-year mission to seek out new worlds and new civilizations. To go boldly where no man has gone before.
There you go. Or you can ask him. You can say, Captain, what is your mission? And hopefully he'll pick that up. I got the debug window over here. It didn't pick up. So, Captain, what is your mission? Captain, what is your mission?
Our 5-year mission to seek out new worlds and new civilizations. To go boldly where no man has gone before.
There you go. So it works. And when you're done, you can close this. So we've got Alice as well. Just to get everyone in the swing of things, let's bring it up so we can say, what is it? Chat with Alice. It didn't hear it. I keep the debug window open over here so you can always see what's going on, to see if maybe he just links didn't hear you or not. So, chat with Alice. Chat with Alice. There we go. So Alice's brain takes a little longer to run, which is why we like to keep this running in the background. And we can say, Alice, hello. Alice, hello.
That's me.
There you go.
Either.
Alice, how old are you?
Ready for input. 16 years.
There you go. So anyways, you can see it works. It's a little buggy, but it's mostly the old AIML files are just not perfect. So anyways, there it is. Have fun. If you're curious how that loop works, you can always load one of them up in here. And this is the Alice.py file, and you can take a look at the loop. Just searches for user input. Does it every 10 seconds down here, right in the main function, while the user input's false, and so false is default, so it's always false unless it reads something from Jarvis. Then you'll see it working over here. You can run them over here. Something interesting to point out is you can go right to the dictation file. The file that it's reading from, this one's in chat box, Alice. And you can actually feed stuff into it. So you can go, so there it is, Jarvis chatbot Alex, which is the one that's running back there. We'll load dictation. We'll say, Alice, how's it going? Save it. Did I save it in the right one? Did I do the right one? I don't know. No, I don't think I have the right one running. I don't think I have the right one. So let's just go here. Let's just Alice bot, drag her over here. I got friggin' files everywhere. Just gonna close a bunch. Go Alice, we'll drop her in here. We'll fire her up. You can see her running over here. Slowing the brain.
Can you tell me any gossip?
There you go. And she read that line. Not that one. That one's for the captain. Oh, that's not it. We're over here. Alice. Yeah, you can go to your dictation. Say.
If 711 is open 24 HD 365.
Lynx is picking up a ton of crap that I'm saying. Lynx, shut up. Shut up, Jarvis.
Possibly.
There you go. So anyway, you got the idea. Have fun with it. Play around. Play around with that looping function. You can send stuff into my Python loop and send it back to Jarvis to interpret it. He does all his talking to Lynx through a web request, which you can see right here. So at any point, if Lynx is, or if Alice or Kirk is responding, you can pause him, you can resume him using the standard Lynx commands because it's done through web requests. Anyway, there you go. Enjoy. Have a good day.